Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Lycammobile phone number and the country so the system applies the right bundles. Once done, log into Lycammobile or open their recharge page. Make sure you have either the voucher PIN or your payment card ready. Choose the exact data bundle you want. This is important because offers vary by country. Enter the mobile number precisely, then proceed to the payment or PIN entry screen to initiate the top-up immediately. Next, enter the mobile number again on the confirmation page and select the chosen data plan so there's no mismatch. If you're using a voucher, scratch and type the PIN exactly. If paying by card, complete the secure checkout and authorize the charge. Once the transaction succeeds, you'll receive a confirmation code or SMS. Save it. This code is proof of the top-up and helps track timing. Typically, the bundle applies within minutes, but keep an eye on the confirmation message. Finally, confirm the data has been added by checking balance via the Lycammobile app, UST code, or SMS balance reply. This verifies success. Once credited, restart your phone and ensure mobile data and the correct APN are enabled so connectivity starts. If the bundle doesn't appear, double-check the voucher PIN, the phone number country code, and payment status. If those are correct, contact Lycammobile support with the confirmation code.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.